Okay, guys, we have an unboxing here, and we're going to check it out. All right, we have our knife. Let's open this thing up and see what we have inside. All right, I can't wait to show this. I've been waiting for this package for a while. I wanted to do it last week, but I had some things that kept me from doing it, but here we go. Let's see what's inside this, and I know you will love it. And let's see. It's packed real nice. It's protected. Okay. All right. We're getting to it. All right. Bam. If you can see the sticker, you know who this is from. Friend of the channel. Ooh, I got another gift. We have here Mentally Corrupted. Go check out my friend Mentally Corrupted channel. I'll leave his information in the description of this video. Once it's done, go subscribe if you're not subscribed. He makes beautiful silver, copper pours, and I'm sure he'll be making them real soon for you to order. And soon, I think I'll be giving a nice giveaway, or also an opportunity for you to buy some of his silver. Maybe I'll offer a certificate, so it can be like maybe a couple dollars off, so we can go get a lot of people over there to support our brother Mentally Corrupted. Let's see what he has created. Okay, he has this cool sticker. I love his sticker because I love the copper color. And he also dropped me off one of these. Pretty cool, man. I love these things here. The chips. I have another one from my friend Marshall Vincent. So this is my second chip. I got to order some for my channel. So we got this cool sticker here. Look at that. The detail on that. Mr. J-Dog himself. And you have here this beautiful chip. Thank you so much. This is my second one. I'll be ordering some for the channel real soon. That's pretty cool, man. All right, let's see what's inside this packet here. He got it nice and tight. You got to fight to get it out. All right, here we go. Got it. Can't wait to see what it is. All right. All right. I'm being a little impatient. This is a win. Win for a skull bar made out of copper. 3.6 ounces. 2025. Got his, the artist signature there. The certificate of authenticity. Man, I love his packaging. I love the packaging. Let's see what we have inside. Oh, man, look at that. Look at this. That nice mirror finish. Win number 1, 2025. 3.6 ounces. He has even a stamp there. Look at that. J-Dog in the house. Man, he's doing a good job. Let's see how it looks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at that right there. Look at that. I want to take my time to see that detail that he put in here. All around the edges. All right, let's see it. Bam! J-Dog. Man, you did this. Absolutely beautiful work, man. Copper piece. Can you imagine how this will look in silver? This is a 3.6 ounce copper pour. Man, you did a beautiful job here. This is the first win. You got to go check out J-Dog at Mentally Corrupted. He does a Sunday night pour. And I believe he's doing giveaways on that day. He may pick certain days out the month to do it. But if the giveaway is there or not, support his work. Go check his channel out. Tell him JT Cornring sent you, okay? I'm so happy I won the first gift of 2025. J-Dog has definitely supported my channel, and I love him for that. I appreciate all his work. He has donated 2 beautiful pours to my channel for the 2024 giveaway. And this work right here shows you exactly how good he is. Look at that pour. And look at the mirror finish. The detail, that mirror finish. I'm going to shine this up and get my little fingerprints off it. But look at this piece of copper. Copper is very important, guys. And we just learned, for those who don't know, copper is a strategic metal. It's not a precious metal like silver and gold, platinum, but it's a strategic metal. We need this metal for our infrastructure and a whole bunch of things. I'm going to show a clip of the importance of copper right after this, after I finish this, and I hope you guys, for those who didn't know the importance of copper, they learn something new. I know that copper is difficult to stack if you're trying to stack a lot of it. I mean, because people say it's a cheap metal. You need lots of it for it to be worth anything. But let me tell you guys, if you invest in a copper stock of any sort, because of what's happening in 2025 and beyond, copper is a hot commodity. It's needed in so many ways. You can collect it if you like in the cool ways and cool rounds like this. I make a keychain out of this copper round. You can also wear copper rings. There's so many ways that you can wear copper that you don't need a lot of it, you know? But if you want to like invest in it, you can. If those who believe investing in the stock market, this is not financial advice, but you can invest in it that way as well. So there's so many ways that you can put copper in your stack. You can do cool pours like this, like my friend Metally Corrupted created, or you can buy bars like this. Get a couple, put in your stack, or you can invest in the stock. If you like copper and the medical benefits, you can put it in a ring. You know, some of the old folks in my family used to wear copper. They believe it helped with the arthritis. You know, so many things copper can be used for. Could be stacked. But this beautiful piece of art made by Melody Corrupted is something you should have in your stack. Look at the detail once again. Good job, J-Dog. Beautiful. First win of 2025, 3.6 ounces. Man, this is a beautiful piece. I'm so honored to have it. I love your work, man. Keep on doing what you're doing. And we're going to get more people over there so they can have these beautiful pieces in their stack in 2025 and beyond. All right, guys, so stay tuned for the little presentation I have for copper. All right, leave a comment in the below. Let me know what you think about this beautiful piece. And if you're not subscribed to Metally Corrupted, please go to the description and click it, join his channel, and watch his awesome pours. Thank you, guys. Thank you, J-Dog. I will see you in the next video. JT Corn Rings. I'm out, guys.
Copper is a reddish metal that is atomic number 29 on the periodic table. It is one of the first metals extracted and used by humans. Since the beginning of civilization, the metal has made key contributions to sustaining and improving society. Initially, the use of copper was limited to coins and ornaments. Later, its use widened to tools. Now, copper is a major industrial metal, given its high malleability, ductility, and electrical and thermal conductivity. And believe it or not, copper is an essential nutrient for human health. It helps maintaining healthy bones, blood vessels, nerves, and the immune function. Copper produced globally is used for the construction of buildings, electrical and transportation equipment, as well as electronic segments, industrial machinery, and consumer products. As per data for 2019, the US used 48% of copper in building construction, 20% in electrical and electronic goods, another 20% in transportation equipment, and 10% in consumer products, and 7% in the manufacturing of machinery. To manufacture semiconductors, many players have started using copper in silicon chips, which enables microprocessors to operate fast and be more energy efficient. The demand for copper is also increasing due to its wide applicability as a low-carbon energy transition metal. The red metal plays an important role in renewable energy solutions like wind, solar, tidal, hydro, and biomass by improving their overall performance. The surge in demand for electric vehicles has also cranked up the demand for copper. It's a crucial metal for the manufacturing of EV batteries, chaining infrastructure and control systems.
Take pride in your stack and wear it. Johnson Toe is an American craftsman who could take your favorite coin design and create art that you'd be very proud to wear and something very special to share. JT Coin Rings, handcrafts, handmade jewelry, especially for you.